My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Foxtrot. Foxtrot is the ransomware targeting many Windows computers today. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It actually may encrypt the files that you store on the hard drive. Well, definitely my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting it. The purpose of my video is just to help you understand how damaging this ransomware is. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles, but very soon after the ransomware's attack, the files get encrypted and this Foxtrot70 extension gets appended to the file names, and it is impossible to use the data. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. You will see the green download button. You may select your preferred operating system, by the way. And then finally the software gets successfully downloaded and installed. This is the way it looks like. The application is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your data would always be protected from all further ransomware or malware attacks. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.